We are very happy to be here at Professional Beauty to reach out to the people and understand their psychology about our products, for testing our products and to know more about their feedback.
The clients that come to visit this show are totally professional. I think it's a great show, a great arrangement and a great team that has shown.
This is really good to associate with the dealers and distributors and other community members with this event. It's a good platform for all the hairdressers, for all the salon professionals, all the exhibitors to meet people around all around. It's good way to connect with people. It's good way to know about the latest trends. So it's good to be at Professional Beauty.
We are good to back Professional Beauty.
It's really good to be back at Professional Beauty.
So it's really good to be at Professional Beauty India.